What in the name of Justin Trudeau am I supposed to do with this? It's actually here! And so we get another glance at what's happening at Mount Olympus as we get more ideas on what AMD is planning to innovate on in the future.
That was Linus Sebastian, the man himself.
Well. It ran horrendously on pretty much any PC from the time.
Oh, a girl messaged me. That doesn't happen often.
So I actually like to play some Rainbow Six Siege in my spare time. I'm maybe not the best at the game.
Be advised.
Intel what? Are you a man or woman? Are you a gamer girl? There, I made it match my own expression currently.
Ah, there we go. Oh!
You know, seeing how 2020 just makes you want to close your eyes and ignore everything that's going on outside and disconnect from all the horrors that are going on in the world. Just look at him, he looks like a Disney villain. No. No! And honestly, it works completely fine in a bathroom as well. I failed you. I failed all of you.
I can explain.
Oh boy. And then the graphics card started arcing. And then it started burning. It works! You can actually use an Xbox One controller to play a game from 2003 on an OS from 2001. I think I've wasted a whole bunch of time, haven't I? I think I have. Where? Huh? Really? No way! What is this? What am I looking at? What? What is this?